Hello everyone, this is Jan from Atmosphere, the publisher of R744.com. I'm here today with Mr. Harada, the president of the Nihon Netsugen Systems. Harada-san, thank you for your time today.
You are really welcome.
Let us start with your business in Japan. So in April, you have opened a new factory for assembly manufacturing of your CO2 planes. Can you give us a little bit of update on your CO2 business in Japan in industrial refrigeration, please?
Yeah, we opened a new factory in this April, and fortunately, our business of CO2 is really growing. And we expect our production will be 1.5 times for the next year. And we have already done 180 projects and 530 units already in the site, on the site. Therefore, we expect this trend will continue for the future. Yeah.
Can you give us an update on which applications are you serving here in Japan and what's roughly your lineup in terms of the maximum size available today?
The main business is still a cold storage warehouse, logistics center, and it's fit to our standard unit type F and type C. And in addition to that cold storage business, we installed to the process cooling for food industry or chemical industry or pharmaceutical industry. Therefore, I think we feel the application potential is now really spreading to many fields.
Thank you. Your CO2 transcritical business in Japan in industrial refrigeration started about 5 years ago, and there's still rapid growth. What did you envision for the future, next couple of years? Do you see that the demand to be growing still?
We hope so, and but of course we don't know about the market trend. But now people understand the problem. F-gas is really connected to the global warming potential. Therefore, we expect the trend to change to natural refrigerant to CO2 or ammonia will be continuing for the future. Therefore, we really have to enhance our production capacity for the future.
Do you see a potential for CO2 transcritical also in other applications in Japan, such as the heat pumps and possibly air conditioning?
Now we are working on developing air conditioning application with the CO2. And technically, we have already done air conditioning to our own factory. But for the commercial level, we still need a time to develop that.
Thank you. And now let's move to your outside of Japan market. You have recently been involved in a project in Philippines. Congratulations.
Thank
it's
you.
The first CO2 transcritical cold storage in the country. Can you give us your comments about this part of the world and your prospects?
It's really surprising also to me because in this January I attended the conference in Philippines and we offer the demonstration unit to that CCI hub in Philippines, and I didn't expect also in this same year we have already achieved the first project for the real installation. Therefore, we really expect the future project in Philippines or Southeast Asian countries. And therefore, I really expect more for that market.
Excellent. In February, we will host the Atmosphere Asia Pacific Summit. You are one of the leading partners of the project. What can we expect from you? What can we hear? Which case study do you think will be presented?
Now, cooling by CO2 is no problem for us. We really achieving it's environmental friendly and also energy saving 20 to 40% compared with the F-gas machinery. But now we are just getting into the new stage with the CO2. It's a heat recovery system. Therefore now new installation combined with a heat recovery system always. For example, heating up the brine to defrost the frost of the unit coolers, or dehuminization for the loading rooms. Therefore, I think now we are really promoting a total system with a CO2 system and the heat recovery. So that kind of a comprehensive CO2 system can improve the condition of the end user site. Therefore, we believe we want to explain about such kind of total system, including a heat recovery system for the next February.
And among your technology that you offer are also large ammonia chillers. Can you comment on your business in Japan? Where do you see the uptake?
We are promoting a Brewastram system of Bulgaria in Germany. Then recently the demand of that Brewastram is really increasing also in Japanese market. Then especially chemical industry or pharmaceutical industry, they are really positive to introduce a large size of ammonia system. Therefore, we are really positive for the future also for ammonia chiller for bigger size of installation.
Thank you, Edo-san. We wish you a successful year ahead.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.